Here's the question I got asked. How do I know what Google accounts, Gmail accounts, or Google Workspace accounts are associated with my cell phone number? I'm going to show you 2 tactics that you can use to figure that out. Number 1, if you have access to the Gmail account, just go to settings, manage my Google account. And when you manage your Google account, go to personal info, and there it is right there. You'll see the phone numbers associated with this account right there. Pretty straightforward. Additionally, what you could do is you could go try to log in to Gmail. And when you go to sign in, you can say forgot email. So I can enter the phone email or the phone number. I like to click on forgot email, and then it's going to ask me for phone number or email. So I put my phone number, hit next. You need to put a name in here. You have to put something. And then it's going to send a verification to my cell phone number. So you need to have access to that cell phone, that cell phone number. We put this magical code in here that changes all the time. And then hit next. All right, so here's 4 accounts that are associated with my cell phone number and has the name Teddy associated with it. Now, I also know for a fact that there is at least one other Gmail account there that has my phone number on the account as a recovery phone number, and that doesn't show up on this list. And additionally, the account on the top here, I haven't used that in years. So I wonder, is there a way for me to get my phone number removed from an account that I no longer use? I need to do some research on that. And if I can find that information, I'll create another video. Those are the easiest answers I have to determine what Google accounts are associated with your phone number. Log into the account and look. Secondly, do this forgot email, type in your phone number, your first name, possibly your last name, and see what accounts show up. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I hope this is helpful for you.